So the latest on this guy here, Phase Linear 4000, that I bought with a Phase Linear 400. See, it's got plug-in boards, easy as hell to work on. Some people say, oh, it's a pain. Well, yeah, I kind of agree with them a little bit. This is a list of capacitors. Now, these here are these silver caps that are 2% that are in the unit that have a funny coat on them. According to the schematic, they're all 2.2s. So we're talking almost 100 capacitors we're replacing in this thing. 100 of them total. I mean, I have a few extras. I need for other, maybe 5 extra for other projects that need the same values. So anyway, here's the oddball, 2 microfarads at 50. There's the pigeon dog wanting to be the technician. You'll be a technician, Winter? I'm no technician. I just know enough to be dangerous. And I checked a lot of the capacitors I'd use in this, and ooh, they're leaky. They're leaky. Yee. She inspecting. Can you believe that foam was in there? I guess it's to hold the boards in, but then, I don't know, the boards are pretty tight. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, man. So, the capacitors for the power amp have been shipped. And those are hardly nothing. I mean, it's... that's from the boards. Let's see. I don't know, I'm going to wait on the board pots, the trimmer pots, until I replace these capacitors. Oh, that's the 2 of them for the power supply. Didn't I? Thought I wrote. Well, it's the main 2 in the power amp. I have 2 other capacitors. I forgot the values. But the main 2, the filter caps, are I'm getting 6,000 at 100 volts. I got 5,900 microfarads at, I think 70 volts in there. Something like that, 75 volts. Anyway, so there's my list. I mean, I have enough 2.2s in there already. I got 25 of them in addition to 11. I think I might just replace these with film. That's what one of the guys I follow said. Anything like, I can't remember, 2.2 and below, replace them with, film capacitors. Just might do that. I don't know. I'll make the decision soon. Anyway, that's the news on the Phase Linear 4000. The 400's being used daily, even with the old caps. I also got a protection circuit coming in for it. Anyway, take one more look at this thing. It's got some pretty cool features, and since I like to listen to records, the crazy, I forgot what they call it, collator and all the fancy names. I'm gonna have to see what I can do to get those spots off. I put some lithium lubricant on. It seemed to kind of tame them down a little bit. I don't know. See if I can get some polish or something. See if it'll take that off. Any ideas, let me know. This is a quadraphonic preamplifier. Why? I have no idea. They got the quad one. Maybe they got a good deal. I don't know. Yeah, what is it? The hell they call it? Oh God, they got all this crazy terminology. Correlation threshold, and peak limiter expansion, and active equalizers and tone controls. These are, whoops, oh shit, hope I didn't break anything. These are pots, and they got these switches on, these crazy things on them. No, these are okay. This is a cheap thing about this preamplifier. All these plugs seem to be intact, so I'm not gonna mess with them. I'm not gonna mess with these things. They seem to be okay. I mean, if you break them, you must be using some snake oil plugs that grip a lot. Anyway, uh, 3165, made in the USA. Something you don't see often. Anyway, oh well, I'll let you know what's going on. Hopefully, I can get this thing up and running. There's enough. Got the service manual, and there's a lot of people redoing these things on the net. Anyway, catch me about a month or two on this. Probably 2 months. Catch you later.